So here we have a problem that asks for the equilibrium constant for the solubility of FeCO3, given the KSP, in NaCN, and it gives the Kf of the complex with the CN ion is also given. So for these problems, if you want to learn why this is the rule, then you want to look for some other resource, like looking it up online. But the general rule, if you just want to learn what you need to do, is that the overall equilibrium constant is going to be equal to the KSP multiplied by any KF complex, the KF of any complex that gets formed when it's in that particular solution. So we're just going to take the KSP of the FeCO3, so the overall formula would be K is equal to the KSP of the FeCO3 is 2.1 times 10 to the negative 11, and we multiply that by the KF, which is given as 1.5 times 10 to the 35. Grabbing my calculator, I get 2.1 EE negative 11 times 1.5 EE 35 is 3.15 times 10 to the 24. And that would be the equilibrium constant. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please like and subscribe and share with anybody that you think might find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.